Let's upgrade my gaming PC together. Right now it has a Ryzen 7 5800X, 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, a 1060 not even a Ti, just a 1060, and two 500 gigabyte SSDs. Today, we're tackling the graphics card. I'm installing this beautiful EVGA RTX 2080. So let's turn off the PC properly, unplug it from power, and turn the power supply off. And, well, power supply on for now. And unplug the graphics card. And discharge anything from the power supply. Unscrew the graphics card. Disconnect it from power. Notice that I need to check the power supply to see if I have the right cables. Remove the old graphics card. Cool looking card. Now going to reinstall, or not damn it. We have now installed our GPU and shall plug it in. GPU is now installed. Now time to plug it back in. God. Now to fire it up. Change power cable is around. Let us see. Let's go! Don't worry, that's just cable, I think. I have updated the drivers. Now it's time to launch Steam. Let's launch Warbrokers, where we can see we're getting double the FPS we were.